Hi guys. That sounds really sad. I'm not sad. It's like really tired. Bro. Thank you. Let me set you up. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. This vlog is about traveling to South Carolina. Or not just traveling, like being in South Carolina. Going to South Carolina. Me and my mom are going to South Carolina to visit Quincy for 5 days. I just can't count. Okay. Today is the 18th. I just got back from New Hampshire because it's February break, so we spent pretty much like half of it from Valentine's Day until now in New Hampshire skiing with my friends. And then tomorrow we are flying to South Carolina. We are doing a layover flight because the airport that we're like going to doesn't like fly in directly from where we are, I guess. We'll see Quincy on Thursday. We have an Airbnb, and Quincy also has a show, I think Saturday and Sunday, or maybe Friday and Saturday. I'm not really sure, but yeah, so we get to watch him compete. He's doing training with my trainer, and then we're flying home on Sunday. Also, I'm deleting the Christmas vlog like probably March 1st because it's not like horse related and I left it up for 3 months. So if you need to go watch that, watch it now because I'm deleting it March 1st because it's just like not horse related, and I've tried to make this channel just horse related, like nothing else. So yeah. What are we cooking? What's cooking good looking? So yeah, that's it. So I'll vlog in the sorry guys. I'll vlog a little bit tomorrow morning, and then in the airport and on the plane, and like, you know, all of that. Okay, so yeah, bye. Right, so it is the 19th and we are leaving in like 10 minutes to go to the airport. Oop. It's like, okay, 1 sec. Flight is at like 1:25, I think, and it is 10 right now on the dot. So we're gonna go and I'll vlog in the airport. You just stretch. Oh, here we go. What? We're in the Airbnb, and we just got home from dinner, and we saw people from the barn there, so we're like, oh perfect. So we sat and ate with them and had a good little like catch up, and then we're gonna go to some Tack stores tomorrow and then to the barn, and Quincy's show is on Saturday and Sunday. Hi guys, so we made it to the barn finally. Went to check out Stapleview in the morning. Hi Pony. And then we did some shopping. We went to Tack Exchange and then to Dover. Oh goodness, Tao. Escape Quincy away. Bye Pony. Oh Tao, no, you can't chase him. Hey guys, we are at a horse show. My trainer is competing advanced today. Boyd Martin is also here competing 7 horses. So It's a lot of horses. So I've seen him a couple times too, which is cool. My trainer's walking the course still. We looked at the results and she's in second place in the advanced after dressage with scoring at 30. Sunscreen on because it's freaking sunny, even though it's like cold, but the sun is out. When we get back to the barn, we are going to hack Quincy and someone in a barn's horse. Me and my mom are. You want to say hi? It's actually much warmer now. It's like acceptable temperature weather. Why are you weird? Are you gonna bite me? There's nothing in there. No. That's my zipper. Okay, let's not eat that. And then you lick my hand.
Coming to that boathouse, over the roll top, down to the upper frog pond, left hand turn, roll back, right over. Marshfield inquiry was big effort over that hammock at 11.
Give it. Go away. What's up, guys? We did a show today, and then he did a good dressage, didn't do anything stupid, didn't score exactly how we wanted him to, but it's okay. And then he went clear show jumping. He's just doing training because it's his first show back. And then my trainer went cross country and she had one refusal. So we're back at the barn. I drove home with my trainers, and then my mom stayed to help one of the riders because they were still riding, but I drove home with my two trainers and with the trailer, and then cleaned Tack, and my mom just got back. So yeah, and we leave tomorrow. Our flight's at 12. And Quincy goes cross country at 11, so we probably won't be able to watch him go. But yeah, there's a dog staring at me too. That's my little update. But look at this. Just so you know, I have two trainers. One who rides Quincy, who I occasionally do lessons with. She also owns Cricket. And then my main trainer, who's like everyone's main trainer, who I normally do lessons with if she's available, which she usually is. But if she's not, then I go to Quincy's rider, who owns Cricket. You know? Yeah, look at Riley, so special dog. Anyway, okay, gotta go. I mean, like when we first got him. He's trailer by himself. Okay, bye, Quincy. No. Darn it.
That's so silly.
Bye, pony. I got some new boots. Ooh, who are you? Here's your hat. Oopsies. Look at her. She's nice. Your. This is boy boots. So yeah, we're trashing my other ones. Mine are in the car, but they're from Smart Pack. They're literally ripped up. Like, there's barely any actual like leather on them anymore. They're basically just the fabric of like the boot. And they're also really like short. They're like here. They're like here, and they're supposed to be like here. And they're like a 7, and I'm like an 8.5, 9 now, so I think it was about time I got new boots. I've also had them for like 3 years. Anyway, we just didn't want to order boots online, and there's not like any good Tack stores at home, so we found good ones. Now I'm gonna go reveal these snap. Oh. Alright, so I have made it home. It's Monday, I went to school and stuff. And I hate school and I don't want to go. So basically I'm gonna move to Aiken, you know. So I literally miss Aiken so much. And it's literally only been a day. Because it's like warm, it's like horses, then like horses. I had so much fun in Aiken, and it was so much fun to see Quincy and everyone from my barn. Or not everyone, but like people that went down to Aiken. And it was really cool going to a big show like that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and you need to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.